Chat moderation is another online opportunity that can be done either part-time or full-time, depending on your availability. Some platforms that offer chat moderation jobs include CloudWorkers, Texting Factory, Chat from Home, eModerators, and Remotely for You. One advantage is that platforms such as CloudWorkers and eModerators hire applicants from Africa, so in many cases, you may not need a proxy or a special setup when applying. However, for some platforms like Texting Factory, Chat from Home, and Remotely for You, location restrictions may apply. In such cases, you may need a suitable proxy setup or have someone located in countries such as the United States, Canada, Australia, or other supported regions assist with the application process. The good thing about chat moderation work is the flexibility it offers. Once your account is approved and active, you're generally able to choose when you want to work. There is usually no requirement to stay online for specific hours every day, allowing you to fit the work around your schedule. You can log in whenever you're available and start working. However, it's worth noting that traffic and work volume tend to be higher during the night hours, so that's something you should keep in mind if you're looking to maximize your earning potential.